Well, it's been rainy in most parts of the state today, have you noticed? But up north and over the border in New Hampshire, the snow is falling. This video from Dover shows the roads just a couple of hours ago. New Hampshire State Police are reminding drivers the conditions are seriously slippery. Meteorologist Alyssa Andrews is here with when this wet weather ends. Alyssa, how does the rest of the weekend look for us?
Well, there's good news here in the forecast because the rest of the weekend does look much better. Even the rest of our Saturday, once we get past about 10, 11 o'clock, it's going to start to shape up to look much better. Now, we do still have the widespread rain showers. I mean, the entire state of Massachusetts and beyond is lit up in some kind of color. So we have the mixed precipitation, the pinks you get there. We were running the risk here of temperatures dropping below freezing and having that freezing rain. So there certainly are some slick spots. This is about where we have the winter weather advisories. Slicker road conditions there, but farther east where we're seeing this more as a rain event, that's where our flooding concerns are going to be. Now, if we widen this picture out here, there's not really much going on behind this system. So it will start to dry out, and when it does, it's going to stay dry for a couple of days. So we'll have some time here. But so far today, we have seen plenty of rainfall. It's going to be rainfall estimates here so far. 1 to 2 inches in the purple. You see there's going to be a lot of 2-inch rain totals there, and even some spots near Boston right around 1 inch of rain. And we still have more rain to go. So of course, that puts us in the flood watch. This is the main reason, really a big reason why we are in the next weather alert right now, and we're going to remain that way as the system starts to pass here. 2 to 3 inches, and we've already racked up a good 2 inches to the south and 1 in some spots. So that's where the flood concern is going to be. The next thing is the winter weather advisory. Everything in purple here, and to the north where it snowed a little heavier, winter storm warnings in effect. So this is going to be through 11 p.m. tonight. Still going to be concerned with a few slick spots on the roadways. On top of that, we're also talking about a wind advisory. This is going to be through 11 p.m. tonight, and of course some of the typical suspects along the Cape and Islands going to be where we see some of those stronger wind gusts. So even if we put this into motion just in the next couple of hours, winds gusting over 50, 55 miles per hour. That's near the Vineyard there, 10:30 p.m. tonight. And more inland, we see that start to back off a bit, but still winds gusting up to 20, 30 to 40 miles per hour there. So we still have some windy conditions. Once we dry things out heading into Sunday and into Monday, still going to be looking at some breezier days ahead as we get the drier weather to move through. Current winds are sustained around 15 miles per hour, so it actually takes our air temperatures down and makes it feel like we're in the 20s and 30s, although the air temps are in the 30s and 40s right now. So it's making a big difference on the temperatures right now, and also going to cause more issues when we get the heavy rainfall and the gusty winds. It can more easily uproot trees and cause more issues when it's this windy outside. So the live look outside right now, 42 degrees in Boston. The dew point temperature is also at 42, so that's where we're getting the hazing and the misting look there, along with those current rain showers still falling right now. Winds over 15 miles per hour, so very breezy conditions. Again, it's feeling a little cooler than those actual 40-degree air temperatures. These next few hours, we're going to see this heavy rain stick with us, and then look how quickly it starts to clear out. This happens pretty fast here. By 11:30 p.m., we should be looking at mostly dry skies with some clouds left over, some misting for sure in some spots, but we should be at least starting to dry out. Now, it'll be very chilly though tomorrow morning. Temperatures going to be dropping into the 20s, and with the windy conditions, it's going to feel even colder. So be prepared for that. But we will have a couple of drier days. Sunday looks much better, just breezy with temperatures in the low 40s and partly sunny skies. We stay dry through at least Tuesday, and then on to Tuesday evening, we get ready for those Wednesday, Thursday, Friday showers to come right back around as temperatures begin to warm up.
Thanks so much, Alyssa.